Maraming bikers na sumali. Dahil unang-una, libre yung t-shirt. Pangalawa, maraming pagkain. So kaya na marami sila. And many of them are actually up for adoption. So mamili na kayo sa kanila. Anyway, just would like to convey that, tama-tama yung theme nitong event na to. Every child matters. Every child, there are 3 or 4 words that they need to I would like to emphasize when it comes to adoption. Una-una yung security, stability, love ng isang pamilya. Many of our biological parents do not have that capability to raise a child. So I'm really glad that we have this program of NACO or NAC for that matter, led by Yusek Janela Estrada. Dahil napabilis. Because there was a time that pati kami, nagkaplano kami mag-adapt, pero napakahaba ng proseso. So we were discouraged. But now, na-streamline na yung proseso, and I'd like to thank NACC and at the same time RACO for taking the lead. So on behalf of the local government of Baguio, on behalf of our bikers who are present here today, who participated today, and to Team RACO, dito kayo lahat, maraming salamat sa inyo.